President of Theatre Arts and Movies Production Association of Nigeria, TAMPAN, Bolaji Amusan, also known as Mr. Latin, reveals why the group does not make provisions to help sick and struggling actors in the movie industry. Despite having spent over 10 million naira on health-related matters affecting actors, Mr. Latin has claimed that TAMPAN is always willing to assist. During a recent interview on 32 FM in Ibadan, he clarified that the association cannot support certain sick and struggling members because they are not members or are inactive. Mr. Latin clarified that these actors who are ill frequently avoid seeking help from TAMPAN out of embarrassment and instead turn to the internet, radio or television for assistance since they realized that they were not active members. As a result, the group is unable to offer them help. We always come to the aid of all active members. Since I became the TAMPAN president, I have spent more than 10 million naira on actors' health challenges. The ones you see going on radio or TV to beg for money are not active members of the association, he said.